Welcome everybody. This is just a quick unboxing of a very anticipated knife. I've been looking for a new everyday carry knife. The one I have, not happy with, haven't been happy with it. And give a shout out to Bees Blades. The knife right now won't even cut this open. There we go. This is from Orion Knives. Here we go. Yes, I've been following Bees Blades for a while, and I'm very impressed with his reviews and how he does knives. And this is one that I finally pulled the trigger on. Ooh. All right. Anything else in here? Yeah, Orion Knives, the Scorpio. So the knife is, a little customizable. There are other parts you can order. Let's get to it. Nice. Oh, very impressed. Nice grip. Titanium grip for your pants or your belt, whatever you're gonna hold your knife on. Oh, good drop. I am very impressed. Oops. Very happy. We are very, very sharp. I don't know. Here's some paper. Oh. Beautiful. Nice. Well, nice quick unboxing. If anything goes south, I'll do another video, but other than that, I think we will have a new favorite carry knife. Oh, we can switch sides, so perfect.